Okay, I'm ready for video number 2 on simplifying radicals. Now before I start, I want you to know that there's that discussion that's on Schoology that you can ask each other questions and ask me questions. And hopefully you got worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 1.2 taken care of. And all we're doing today is we're adding a coefficient or a number in front. So, just like we did with the other two, we're going to hang out with the -4. We're going to go ahead then and break 98 down into 49 times 2. You go through your calculator, you figure out what goes even. Like if I'm putting in 98 divided by 49, I get 2. So that's how I get 49 times 2 is 98. Once I get that, -4 still hanging out outside of the radical underneath the square root. It's not underneath. 49 is 7. Radical 49 is 7. Radical 2 has to stay in. And -4 times -4 times -7 is 28 radical 2. So we're good with that one. All right, back here, 3's out. 72 is going to be 36 times 2. So once we get to 36 times 2, we're going to get 3 times 6 times radical 2, because 36, square root 36 is 6, and my answer is 18 radical 2. So again, I need to see all of this work as we're doing it so I can see that you understand how this works. 252 may take some time. We can take 252, clear this out, 252, and start dividing by any of these numbers. Divide by 64, that doesn't work. 252 divided by 36, 36 is equal to 7. So what I get here is -2 radical 36 radical 7, because 36 times 7 is 252. Also notice that I put our perfect number first when I'm multiplying every time, because I want to look at it as -2 times 6 radical 7. Radical 36 is 6. -2 times 6 is -12 radical 7. So, 3 out of 4 taken care of. 6. 63 is 9 times 7. 6 is already outside of the radical or the square root. Square root 9 is 3. And 6 times 3 is 18. Radical 7. If it's under the radical, we can't multiply. These are both outside the radical, so it's just our normal 6 times 3. Radical 7 has to stay under. 7 has to stay under. Same thing going on each one of these problems. So, hope this video finds you well. Hope we're getting used to a little bit of online work. Make sure you use the discussion. Try to get a hold of me through Schoology. You also have a school email, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you.